Hi, this is Garima Chakladar, and if you're here from the Rishikesh vlog, then welcome back to my channel. If not, then hi, I'm Garima. I'm here to actually review a hostel that I've been staying for the past couple of days. I'm in Rishikesh right now, and I got to know about this hostel from Instagram, and मुझे लगा कोई content है नहीं यहाँ को लेके, so I want to show you around the place and actually tell you how the place has been. मुझे काफ़ी सही लगा. मुझे 2 दिन हो चुके हैं यहाँ रहते हुए, तो I think that I am in a position to tell you the goods and the bads about this place. Thing that I've noticed around over here is that they're very conscious in terms of resources. For example, इनके जो lift है, they will only switch it on when you're using it. However, that doesn't mean that they won't give it to you when you probably are asking for it. You just go and tell them कि lift on कर दो. As simple as that. ये जनरेटर है, इसको ऑन करेंगे लिफ्ट चलेगा. जब नहीं चलेगा, वेस्ट नहीं करेंगे इलेक्ट्रिसिटी, लिफ्ट बंद कर देंगे. फर्स्ट. सेकेंड, इन टर्म्स ऑफ रिसोर्सेज एंड हाउ दे टेक केयर ऑफ द एनवायरनमेंट इज दैट बॉटल्ड वाटर ये लोग ग्लास में देते हैं. प्लास्टिक का कोई कॉन्सेप्ट नहीं है. मुझे अभी तक प्लास्टिक के प्रोडक्ट्स नहीं दिखे हैं, which means that they have a glass bottle and every time you want a bottle of water they're going to give this to you. So second thing, and अगर मेरे वीडियो में आपको कोई प्लास्टिक दिखे तो बताना. मुझे सारे जो पेंटिंग्स हैं, आर्किटेक्चर है, सब वुडन के दिखे हैं, and I think that just makes the place more lively and lovely. Third thing, I think they also produce their own honey, so lots of honey over here if you want to figure that out. मैंने ये place Go Ibibo से book करा है. You can also go and check that place out. It's very affordable. However, if you want to contact Manish or Soumya, the owners of this place, you will get them right in their Instagram account. You can contact them, and अगर आप लंबे समय के लिए आ रहे हैं, so they're going to give you bulk discount to you. That's what I figured out when I spoke to them. The breakfast here is good. If you want to go ahead with the breakfast option, sure. Otherwise, you can go a la carte, and they have pancakes and nice egg a la carte and everything. So obviously non-veg नहीं मिलता, but egg मुझे दिख रहा है यहाँ पे आसपास. So yeah, way to go. This is their lift. ये भी काफ़ी trippy and nice है. I'll take you to the 4th floor. It's where I'm staying. Actually going right out. Room के videos मैंने I'm going to show it right now. Going straight into the room, I was staying on the 4th floor of the building. मैं room number 402 में थी. I think there are 5 floors with rooms exactly looking like this. A lot similar. उनको deluxe rooms कहते हैं without balconies. अंदर आके I saw that everything was colored in white, painted in white. The chairs, the tables, window के lining, and that just lit up the room. It made it look more bright. That's actually the washroom right there. I'm not going straight into it obviously, but वो काफ़ी clean था, even room से भी ज़्यादा clean था, and that's quite a relief. The room was decorated with lots of paintings, and it just added to the beauty. Everything was clean, spacious, and going right out, you see lots of artwork on the walls too. Okay, this is one more bit of the hostel that I wanted to cover. ये common space है, first floor में located है. काफ़ी बड़ा कमरा है. यहाँ आके आप काम कर सकते हैं लैपटॉप लगा के. बहुत सोच समझ के चार्जिंग पोर्ट भी लगा रखे जैसे वहाँ, ताकि आप बैठ सके एंड काम कर सके. द वॉल्स आर अगेन पेंटेड ब्यूटिफुली. पेस्टल कलर्स आर कमिंग आउट सो वेल ऑन द वाइट बेस. इन द कॉर्नर यू विल फाइंड लॉट्स ऑफ गेम्स टू प्ले विथ, एंड good seating area. Again, look at the walls, you'll find a lot of books kept right there for you to maybe pick up and read, and maybe click lots of pictures there. It's a nice room. Manish, say hi please. Okay, so if you check out the art over here, इन लोगों ने actually जो wood है ना, सारा waste wood है, and they've picked it up from factories and a lot of places, and they're still yet to complete it. तो ये सब recycled products है. As I said, they're very conscious in terms of using their resources. ये सब भी जो सारा art है, सारा used wood है. They've just picked up the wood, the waste wood, they've colored it, and they just made art out of it. ये सब waste wood है, and I think that is absolutely fabulous. To explain the art that they have put up in this cafe, which is so pretty. Check out this particular painting made up of recycled wood. आप देखेंगे कि यहाँ बहुत सारे faces हैं, and they have been asymmetrically kept to kind of show different humans being put together in one portrait. अगर आप यहाँ पे भी आएंगे, ये सब faces है, and when I spoke to Manish and Soumya, they were like, they just want to represent different people coming up from different parts of the world. So no face is going to be the same and a similar, and I think that's just beautiful. Lovely idea. So that's about it. That's about my review for Sweden, and probably see you in Sweden. Bye.